higher dose does not mean faster results. In fact, bumping up your weight loss medications too soon might be the one move that ruins everything: your progress, your health, and your chances of keeping the weight off. If you're on Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, or Zepbound, you've probably already asked yourself this question: should the dose go up, stay the same, or come down? The internet makes it sound obvious: higher dose, faster weight loss. Done. But real life doesn't work that way. Go up too fast, and you're dealing with side effects so bad you want to quit entirely. Stay too low, and your appetite sneaks back, cravings take over, and suddenly you're stuck. So how do doctors actually make this call? There are 7 checkpoints, and once you understand them, your next appointment will feel completely different. You'll know exactly what to ask and exactly what to watch for. Now let's break it down. Number 1, side effects. If side effects are already hitting hard, going up will almost always make things worse. Here's a simple way to think about it. If your side effects are barely noticeable, maybe a little nausea, some mild fullness, a dose increase could be on the table. But if you're at the point where side effects are disrupting your day, causing vomiting, dehydration, or making it hard to eat at all, that door is closed. And this is what happens when people ignore this. Nausea turns into vomiting. Constipation turns into painful blockage. Reflux turns into daily burning. And then they quit entirely, when they could have succeeded on a slower, smarter plan. Side effects are the first gate. If it's shut, nothing else matters until it opens. Number 2, how fast the weight is actually coming off. This one surprises almost everyone. Faster is not better. After the first month, a solid target is roughly 0.5% to 1% of your body weight per week. If you weigh 200 pounds, that's about 1 to 2 pounds a week. That's already strong, meaningful progress. Now that first month can look dramatic. Water shifts, gut changes, lower food volume. It can feel like the weight is melting off. Don't judge the long-term trend by those early weeks. If you're consistently losing faster than 1% per week, going up usually makes no sense. In some cases, a dose reduction is even considered. Why? Because very rapid loss raises the risk of gallstones, gallbladder issues, and muscle loss, especially if protein intake is low and there's no strength training in the picture. The goal isn't the fastest result. It's the safest result you can actually maintain. Number 3, your appetite. The scale tells you what already happened. Hunger tells you what's about to happen. Almost everyone goes through this pattern. The medication feels powerful at first, food noise vanishes, then slowly the body adapts. You start thinking about food more. Cravings show up at night, portions grow, snacking creeps back in. That's not failure. That's the early warning signal before a stall hits. A dose increase usually makes sense when 3 things line up at once. Side effects are low, weight loss is slowing below target, and hunger is rising in a way that won't be sustainable long term. All 3 together, not just one. Number 4, what your lab work is saying. The scale moves, so people assume everything must be fine. But blood work tells a much deeper story. Blood sugar, cholesterol, liver enzymes, kidney function, nutrient levels, all of these can shift on GLP-1 medications. Sometimes they improve beautifully, and sometimes they flag a problem before you ever feel a single symptom. If your labs are trending in the right direction on your current dose, that's a powerful reason to stay put. But if something looks off, a deficiency, signs of dehydration, a liver marker creeping upward, that completely changes the conversation. The scale is not the only scoreboard. Your labs are the one your doctor watches closest. Number 5, how close you are to your goal. This is where people accidentally overshoot and don't realize it until the damage is done. Weight loss is supposed to improve health, blood sugar, blood pressure, joint pain, energy, confidence. But the finish line is not as low as the scale will go. If you start feeling weak, losing hair, feeling cold constantly, or watching your strength fade, those are clear signals that the plan needs adjusting. Sometimes that means holding the dose. and sometimes spacing injections differently, sometimes stepping down to maintenance. Long-term success isn't just weight going down. It's strength going up, labs improving, and your actual quality of life getting better. Number 6, sleep and energy. This one is easy to miss, but it matters way more than people realize. When you're on the right dose, you'll often notice better sleep, steadier energy, and sharper focus during the day. But if you're dragging through every afternoon, waking up exhausted, or your energy completely crashes after a dose increase, your body is sending a message. And here's the thing. Poor sleep drives hunger hormones up, which directly works against what the medication is trying to do. If energy and sleep fell apart after a change, that's not something to push through. That's something to bring to your next visit. Number 7, preference and cost. So, do you actually need a higher dose right now? Some people look at their progress, feel good, and decide to stay on the lowest dose that's working. Less medication in their body, fewer side effects to deal with, and results are still coming. That's a completely smart choice. But then there's the other side. Maybe you're paying hundreds out of pocket every month. Maybe insurance doesn't cover your medication. And when you're spending that kind of money, it's natural to think, shouldn't I be getting the maximum result from every single injection? That pressure is real. People push for a higher dose they don't actually need. Side effects get worse, and now they're paying more money to feel worse. Now, here's a quick way to remember all of this. Think of it like a traffic light. Green light, side effects are low, weight loss has stalled, hunger is climbing, and goals are far off. Going up might make sense. Yellow light, things are moving, side effects are manageable, progress is steady, hold where you are. Red light, side effects are strong, weight loss is too fast, you feel drained, or labs are raising flags. Pause or step down. And one last thing that's absolutely critical, the muscle mistake. The biggest silent problem on GLP-1s is eating too little protein and doing zero strength training. The fix isn't always a higher dose. It's protein at every meal, resistance training a few times a week, and a controlled pace of loss. Your muscle is your metabolic engine, so protect it. Dose changes should never feel like gambling. These are the 7 checkpoints: side effects, weight loss speed, appetite, lab work, goal proximity, sleep and energy, and real-life factors like cost and preference. Know them, track them, and bring them to every conversation with your clinician. That's how you stop guessing and start making decisions that actually protect your progress and your health for the long run. If this video helped you understand your dose better, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps more people find this information when they need it most.